A beautiful meadow filled with flowers and bees, butterflies and buttercups aplenty, colours of every kind, sweet fragrance, such a delight. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I am collaborating with Sonja over at Domestic Diva DIY. She's got lots of different content on her channel, but her DIYs are generally focused around farmhouse, and I know a lot of people love farmhouse, so make sure to check her channel out once you're done watching my video. All of the details will be in the description box. For the first DIY, you're going to be starting off with some branches, and you can do this as big as you want. I am making it into a small miniature window, but like I said, you can go as big as you like and even use this as a wreath idea. So you're going to need 4 branches at the beginning anyway, just to create the foundation, and you want to make sure they're all the same size. Once you've done that, you're going to align them together and you're going to stick them down with hot glue. You can also use twine in the corners if you like. Once you've done that, you're going to start working on the inside of the window. So you want 2 bits of branches. You're going to have one going this way and then one going that way. Now you're going to build on the foundation just to give it more depth and make it look more 3D. I'm taking some more branches. This one is a little bit different, and then I'm hot gluing it down and then just snipping them to size using my pliers. Now for the next step, you're going to need some flowers to decorate your windowsill. I am using real ones, but you can use artificial ones. Then once you're done with that, you can take some of these decorative butterfly stickers, and I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue to it. It does come with those sticky foam pads, but they're on either side of the butterfly and I need it to stick in the center, so that's why I'm applying hot glue. But all you're going to do is just stick it to your window wherever you like. And of course you can do this in whatever style you want, so it doesn't have to be butterflies, it can be birds, or even just keep it plain. I think this DIY is great for spring as well as summer, and it can also be for a fairy garden. Now the last thing we're going to do is take some twine. We're going to wrap it around these 2 ends so that it can be wall hanging. So I'm just looping it, as you can see here on the twig, and then we're going to knot it. And here's the first DIY all completed. I just find it so sweet. It really just hit the spot for me, and I really love whimsical rustic DIYs. So yeah, I'm really happy. For the next DIY, I'm going to be making a wreath, and this is so simple, guys. I just found this in my garden and I knew straight away, because it was so flexible, that I can turn this into a wreath. So I'm just bending it to the desired shape kind of thing, and then I'm taking some green wire just to wrap it around so that it's all stuck in place. I also took my pliers just to snip it because scissors didn't do it, it was quite thick. I really loved this already. I just thought it's so naturally beautiful, so even though I like the simplicity, I wanted to add a little bit more to it, but not too much so that it doesn't take away from it. So I took this part of a plant, it was off a tree, and I added it to the center at the top of the wreath using the same flower wire. Then I took the same flower, but I just cut a little bit off because it was really big, just to add to the sides of the wreath, as you can see on the left and the right side of it. Then I took this cute bird, which isn't that great quality, but it looks pretty good from afar, so I took my hot glue and added him on the bottom. And here it is, all finished. It's pretty simple to make, but I think it looks so pretty. I hope that you have enjoyed watching as well. Don't forget to check out Sonja's channel. Thank you so much. Bye.